I think it's an excellent opportunity for Year 9s to actually experience TAFE. I obviously work with the Cert 2 kitchen operations here on a Friday where high school kids come and do that actual unit.
So today we had 2 schools up at our Joondalup campus in one of our commercial kitchens. They had the experience with one of our chefs up there learning how to make sticky date puddings. So they spent the morning weighing out the ingredients and putting them together and actually baking those puddings, and then actually plated up their dish to present. So, and of course they love that one because they get to take home all the leftovers, which they love.
I wanted to come along and participate today because, quite honestly, I like food and I like cooking and I like making food, and I liked how everyone was nice and the chef was very kind and helping. Such a friendly environment, and it's very I think it's, if you wanted to be a chef or something when you're older, it's a very good way to get you started.
Great lot of schools that we have locally, and I think that we need to do this every year to promote North Metro TAFE.
So we offer a lot of different career activities across a range of industries. So we're trying to capture interests of all different types of students. So hopefully they'll come along and get to sample what it would be like to work a day in the life of a particular job role, and either come away thinking, yep, this is the job for me, or no, couldn't do it, and then thinking of where they're going to go from there.